Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to use dictation on Google Doc. Now this is my Google Drive. First of all, you want to make sure your mic is working. I am using a USB microphone. So if you right click the speaker icon on the taskbar, click on Open Song Settings. Now this is a Windows 10 computer I'm using. As you can see, device properties, test your microphone, and it's working. If it's not and you need to increase the volume, you can go on the right side, select sound control panel, click on recording. This is my USB microphone. I select it, click on properties, click on levels, and you can adjust the volume on the mic. So you want to leave it about there. Now I minimize this. Now this is my Google Drive. So I want to right click, select Google Docs. Now this is just an example. So in order to get the dictation mic on the menu, click on Tools, scroll down and select Voice Typing, and this is the microphone icon. Now you want to click on this when you are ready to speak and dictate, and it's a very great program, a nice program that Google has. Now I'm going to dictate by selecting and clicking on the microphone. An employee newsletter is an excellent place for a message from the president of the company, full stop. This article serves several purposes, full stop. For the president, comma, it offers a way to communicate the company goals and status to employees at all levels, full stop. New paragraph. For employees, comma, it provides a better understanding of the company's goals, full stop. When you're speaking, you need to use commands for full stop, exclamation, question mark. And if you highlight the microphone icon, there's a question mark, just click on that. And there's a whole help menu. And it shows you and it lists all the commands that you can use, like if it's a period, a comma, exclamation. It's a lot of help. So you can go through this and read about it, and this will help you a lot. So I'm going to give you another example. What is my name? Question mark. New paragraph. Hello. How are you? Question mark. My name is John. Exclamation mark. So with a little more practicing, you can do this, and it's a great feature of Google Docs. And I hope this has been helpful, and I thank you for watching.